Today we'll be making this tree in this weird twisty pot in Blender. Let's go! Okay, so today we're gonna make this tree pot. So now the tree and the floor is very simple. Everyone can make it if you learn a little bit of the basics. But the pot, some beginners might not be sure how to make it. But it's actually pretty easy and there's not really any modeling required. So stay tuned and let's get into modeling. First, open a new file, and we're gonna delete the lights and the camera as usual. But we're gonna keep the cube right here. So first we're gonna make the pot. So first thing, the cube is below the grid right now, so I'm gonna move it up by 1 meter. So press G and press Z, move it on the Z by 1. So just type in the numpad or the number anywhere, press 1, type in 1, and then it will move it up by 1. So now I want you to select the top face and delete it. So just press delete, select it first and press delete, and then delete the vertices. And then there you go. You got deleted the top part. Now we're gonna make the pot. So look very closely. You wanna go to the wrench right here, and then you want to add a modifier. You want to add a screw modifier. Now it might look weird right now, but it'll come into shape soon. So you want to change the angle to 90 degrees right here at the modifiers panel, and then increase the screw, and then it'll start to get into shape. Increase the screw, increase it by like 2 meters, and you have a box. Maybe 3 meters is about right. There we go. And then we have the screw. Now we don't need to apply it. It's not really mandatory, but you can if you want. And now we're gonna add a solidify modifier and increase the thickness right here. It's gonna be at the bottom, so just increase the thickness, and there we go. So now next we want to add the soil in the pot, which is gonna be hard. So just add a plane, Shift A, add and mesh plane. Add a plane and go move it up like this, and then add another plane, Shift A, mesh plane, and then scale it right there. So now here's the making the tree. So Shift A, mesh, add a cube, move it up, scale it down, and have it on top of your pot. Now we're gonna make it like a hexagon shape. So tab into edit mode and press Control R, and loop cut it in the middle, and then scale it. Scale it on like the Y, like this. So now you scaled it, you want to tab out of edit mode. You have this weird long rupees looking hexagon. You want to scale it down, so just press S, scale on the Y, SY, like this. And then this is gonna be the base of our tree, but we want to scale the top down. So tab into edit mode and press 3, select the top and press S to scale it down. Maybe move it down a little bit maybe. And there we go. That's our stump. And then now we want to duplicate it, Shift D, and move it up. And then now the tree part might need to be bigger, so just scale it, and then press Shift Z to not scale it on the Z like this. And then there we go. So and then now we just duplicate it, Shift D, and then move it up, scale, Shift D, move it up, scale down, Shift D, move it up and scale it down. And the top one is like the fourth one. We're gonna merge it in the middle, so just press M for merge, and then merge at center, and it's gonna be a vertices, and maybe you want to move it up a little bit, and then there we go. Now the rest you just need to add the color. So click on our plane first, and then you want to go you want to go into material preview so we can see the colors. So you see this 3 circles balls right here. You want to click the one that is the second from the right. It's called the material preview or look depth, I think. So just click on it, and then there we go. So the reason that we didn't delete the first cube, because it's the first cube and we're gonna use it anyways, and it has the material attached to it. So click on your pot and then go to the base color and change the base color to like black. Now if you don't have it, there's gonna be a new button and just press new. Okay, now the bottom, we don't have a material for it, so we just press new, and then we change it to like creamish color. And the pot, we will use the same color as the floor, so just click the circle next to new, and it's gonna have the drop down of the materials we have. Click on it and it will set the color. Okay, and then now we have the stump. I want it to be like brownish, so I'm gonna go for like a yellowish orange, and then lower the darkness like this, and there we go. And the top, we can group it first. So select all of them. To select multiple, select one, left click, and then press shift and select another one, and another one, and then there you go. Or you can just drag, which is another way. And then to join it, you can right click and choose join, or you can do Control J. So Control J. And then next we can add green color. So press new and add like a greenish color and maybe darken it a little bit. And there you go. It's not gonna be any complicated. As I said, the pot isn't really hard. You just need to use some solidify and screw modifier. So now if you have any other modifiers that you want me to cover, comment. Yes, comment. So that is it for this video, and see you in the next video. Is probably tomorrow. So yeah.